Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wash sea moss, easy method. Start by rinsing each handful under cold running water to dislodge sand and grit. Use your fingers to inspect and separate clumps so trapped matter becomes visible. Keep the process gentle to avoid tearing the plant material. Rinse repeatedly until water runs clear, then soak in fresh water to rehydrate before preparing your gel or drying for storage. After initial rinsing, drain and refill with fresh cold water to remove remaining salt and sediment. Gently agitate the sea moss with clean hands so hidden grit rises to the surface and can be poured away. Repeat until the water is noticeably clearer and the sea moss smells fresh and ocean-like. Always remove any discolored or slimy bits, as those indicate spoilage, before you proceed to bleaching or blending into gel. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tips. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you prep sea moss. It makes kitchen time more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a simple upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. Once rinsed, transfer the sea moss to a bowl and cover with clean water, weighing it down if needed so everything stays submerged. Let it sit 8 to 12 hours until plumped and flexible, then drain and give one final rinse before use. Store rehydrated sea moss in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or freeze measured portions to keep it fresh for future batches without losing texture or nutrients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.